Did you know that the International Public Sector Accounting Standards, IPSAS, were first introduced in 2000? Meanwhile, International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, have roots dating back to 1973. These standards have revolutionized global financial reporting practices. Organizations lacking expertise in IPSAS and IFRS often struggle with international financial reporting compliance. They may face challenges in preparing transparent financial statements, struggle with cross-border comparability, or fail to meet the evolving global reporting requirements. This can result in reduced stakeholder trust, difficulties in accessing international funding, and potential legal and regulatory issues. At the individual level, finance professionals may find it challenging to keep up with the frequent updates to these standards, struggle with applying complex accounting principles, or face difficulties in transitioning from local GAAP to international standards. This can lead to reporting errors, inefficiencies in financial processes, and missed opportunities for improving financial transparency. This comprehensive course comes to the rescue by providing in-depth knowledge and practical skills in financial management and reporting under IPSAS and IFRS. It equips participants with the tools to navigate the complexities of these international standards and implement them effectively. By taking this course, individuals will gain expertise in the conceptual frameworks of IPSAS and IFRS, learn to prepare compliant financial statements, and understand the key differences between these standards and local JABI apps. They'll also learn about the latest updates and emerging issues in international financial reporting. The impact on organizations can be transformative. With professionals skilled in IPSAS and IFRS, entities can expect improved financial transparency, enhanced comparability of financial information across borders, and better alignment with global best practices. This leads to increased stakeholder confidence, improved decision-making, and potentially easier access to international capital and funding. At the personal level, participants will become valuable assets to their organizations. They'll be able to lead IPSAS or IFRS implementation projects, provide expert advice on complex accounting issues, and contribute to high-quality financial reporting. This expertise can lead to career advancement opportunities in multinational corporations, international public sector organizations, and global accounting firms. Don't let the complexities of international financial reporting standards hinder your organization's global growth and transparency. Empower yourself and your team with the skills to excel in IPSAS and IFRS financial management and reporting. Enroll in this course today and take a crucial step towards mastering global financial reporting practices.